Welcome to the in front of me CHUWI HiPad X, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on that device. So let's first just launch this settings app, and after that tap here on the sound section. Then you'll see here the ringtone volume panel. And now just to change the ringtone volume of your device, you should swipe to the left or to the right side this panel with your finger. And after that, we can also make it by the second way. Just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter. Then just click here on the settings icon, and by the same way just switch to the left or to the right side. There is blue dot, green dot, and then just click here to done to save the changes. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.